will create 3 virtual machine, then 1 EFS. Okay, this EFS will be commonly shared with these 3 virtual machine. So let's do that. So let me create EFS demo. Only 3. So 3, that's enough. So I will create 3 EFS over here. Okay. So let me select a key pair, key 1. Then I will select one existing security group. So I can select which one I should select. Okay. See, I will create a security group. Where is my edit? So I'll provide EC2 security group. EC2 security group. See, when you're creating EC2, and the EC2 should only enable SSH protocol 22, that is enough. Okay. So while you're creating security group for EFS, which protocol you have to enable? NFS. Okay, because outbound is already enabled. We don't need to enable outbound, but inbound you have to make it enable. Okay, so here I will create a security group EC2. So I will only enable SSH protocol. Okay, so outbound is already enabled. So I will launch an instance, 3 instances. Launch instance. So now you can see that successfully I created 3 instances pending. Right? Okay, let's wait. So meanwhile I will create one EFS volume as well. I'll go to EFS. Go to EFS. Open new link in a tab. So create a file system. So we have to provide a name. So I'll provide demo EFS. See, here you can see that we have a standard and one zone. If you're creating standard, automatically it will be, what will happen? Segregated 3 available zone. If you're selecting one zone, see, you manually or explicitly have to select at least one available zone. Okay, and one more thing. So where you're creating a virtual machine, so the same available zone you have to select, then only it will work. So I'll go with the standard. Suppose, let's say you created a virtual machine in 1A. Okay, and you created EFS in 1B, then it will not work. You getting? Okay, so I will go with the standard demo EFS, then create. So you can see that successfully it's created, and by default it will be encrypted. We don't need to encrypt. See, encrypted. Right? Okay. So now we will wait. Let me click this file system. Network. Okay. You can see that file system policy. This is a resource-based policy. You can create a policy over here. Then you can determine who all are need to access. For example, I have a 3 user. Okay. These 3 users should not access. Like we can create a rule like a custom policy over here. Same as bucket policy. Okay. So we have some metrics over here, predefined metrics, see monitoring. So if you go to monitoring, you will be able to find some metrics over here, you can find it out, like QL and throughput optimization, and what is the IOPS type, what is the IOPS rate, input and output operator, everything you can find it over here. Go to tag, you can add tag if you want. Access point, you can create access point, for example, certain applications. Okay, for example, I have a 3 application, and I can create a private access point. Only that application only can access my EFS. Same as S3 as well. So if you want to create a S3 access for a particular application, you can create a S3 access point. Okay. So next, network. So here you can see that it's creating on 3 availability zone. So one in AP South 1A, another one in AP South 1B, AP South 1C. Why should it's creating 3 available zones? Because I've only selected one time, right? Then? No. I selected standard tier, that's what. If you're selecting standard tier, automatically it will segregate it. Multiple available zone, that's one. Okay, and you can see that once it create, automatically one security group will be associated with this EFS. Okay, so that should be NFS should be enabled as an inbound rule that you have to make ensure. Let's wait. And one more thing, replication. Suppose if you want to make it highly available or EFS, then you can just click on replication, create a replication, then you can select the region. See, whatever the data you adding on Mumbai region, automatically it will replicate that target region. Okay. So I'll back to my EFS type again, then I will go to network. Yeah, successfully it's available now. So now I will just click on manage. You can see that 03, what is the security? 3BC, 3BC, 3BC. Okay. So all security group are 3BC. Okay. I'll go to my instance. Then I'll check the security group. whether it is allowing all rules or not. I'll go to security group. Select 3BC. Where is the 3BC? So this is 3BC, right? Okay. Inbound rule. Yeah, already enabled NFS protocol. Yesterday it's already created the security group. Okay. So that is allowing which protocol? NFS. What is the port number of NFS? Sorry? 2049. So that you have to just keep in mind. So what about the port number of Postgres? 5432. What about the port number of DNS? 53. What about port number of DHCP? 6760. FTP? 2021. What is the 20? What is the 21? 24? 24 data transfer or data connection. How is it? No, 24 data transfer, 21 for establishment. Okay. So then what about IMAP? 143. Okay. What about SMTP? 25. Or else modern technology. Modern, we have another protocol. 586. Then we have a POP. What is a POP? 110. 110 exactly. Then what about LDAP? LDAP, Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. 386 or sorry 389. 389 636. 389 for UDP, 636 for TCP. What about Kerberos authentication protocol? What is the protocol number? Sorry? 88 exactly. Then we have some HTTP. HTTPS. SSH 22. Okay. Then we have ISAC-MP 500. Tomcat server 80. Nginx 80. Apache. Okay. IAS web server, Windows web server. Not ISS, IAS. Internet Information Service. Protocol number 80 only. By default it will go 80 only. Any other protocols? Okay, MySQL. MariaDB. Okay. Then we have BGP 179. Okay, then refresh TCP protocol Telnet. Sorry? 23. Then where are the RDP 3389. Any other protocols? TFTP Trivial File Transfer Protocol 69. RPC Remote Procedure Code RPC. What's the RPC port number? 111. What is the NTP Network Time Protocol? 123. So these all protocols are very important. Okay. So I have been already shared the document. Just go through that by heart. Okay. So now I will go to my EFS. Then I will connect my EFS. See, listen. To connect EFS, first we have to access our server. I will go to my instance. So then I will connect my server 1. I will just click on EFS demo 1. So this I will call it as EFS demo 2. And this I will call it as demo 3. Okay. So I will connect my virtual machine 1. Click on connect. Connect. Same as virtual machine 2. EFS demo 2 connect. Connect. Same as virtual machine 3. Where is connect. So now I successfully connected my 3 virtual machine. So now we need to mount our EFS file system, right? To mount your file system, visible, right? Okay. So first I will become root sudo su. So now I'll try to mount my EFS file system. So first we have to create a directory. So I'll create mkdir. Okay, then EFS. You can create any name, no problem. So I'm going to create mkdir EFS enter. So it's created a directory, EFS directory. Okay, df -s, and you can see that I don't have any mounting directory for EFS. Right or wrong? Okay. So I'll go to my EFS, then I'll go to attach. So just click on mount via IP and copy this. So back to your virtual machine and paste over here. Enter. Successfully mounted. So again I will execute df minus h and you can see that. So we have one more entry. What is it? 172.31.42.154. This is my EFS IP address. So that's what it's calling network file system. Network. So through network actually we can connect our file system. Suppose consider your local system is already connected with the VPN, AWS VPN. Then you can connect EFS file system with your system. It's possible. Okay, I'll show you that if you want. So one day we can schedule that, no problem. See, successfully connected with my virtual machine 1. Same step I'll repeat over here. I'll go to my virtual machine 2. So become root sudo su. Then what I have to do? mkdir create a directory EFS. Go to your EFS file system. Copy this link and paste over here. That's it. I'll paste over here. Paste and see, successfully mounted df minus h. You can see that one mount point has been created. I'll go to my third virtual machine. Sudo su. Then okay, correct. Create a directory. mkdir, then I'll create EFS directory. I'll go to my EFS. Okay, already copied, right? I'll paste over here. Paste. Enter. Okay, successfully mounted df minus h. You can see that. So these three virtual machine I mounted with one common repository, right? So now listen. I'll go to my virtual machine 1. So what is my mounted directory? I'll go to cd EFS ls. So do I have any files over here? No. I'll create a file. For example, I'm going to create nano, then slash, okay, nano index.html, enter. So this is my virtual machine 1, okay, demo 1. So here I will create a file, h1, hello, Ashiq, whatever it is, AWS, that's enough. Hello AWS. Then I will close this. Then Control O, enter, Control X. Successfully saved. So now I will try to execute ls command. You can see that I have a file over. What is the file name? I'll go to my second virtual machine. I'll go to which directory? EFS and ls. You can see that the same file over here. See, these three virtual machines shared with a common repository, and they can see whatever the file is uploading my beside, like my target system, whatever it can be. I'll go to my third virtual machine, cd EFS directory, ls. You can see the file over here. So now what I will do here, I will install Apache. Then I will show you magic over here. Wait. Okay. So let me go to virtual machine 2 and virtual machine 3. So in virtual machine 2, I will install Apache. Okay. So what is the command to install Apache server? Yum install httpd -y. So we can start our system ctl start httpd end. So first it will install, then it will start. We can provide ampersand, that and mark we can give. Okay, automatically it will start. No problem. That's command okay. So successfully done. So I will check system ctl. Where is it? Status. Where is it? Multiple command and okay. Status. Oh, status httpd. You can see that is active and running, right? I'll go to my third virtual machine. Then I will execute the same command yum install httpd, and you have to put -y for auto accept, then and then system ctl start httpd, then end. Any where status check here. Check here. I think multiple command, no issues. So now I will execute a system ctl status httpd. What is the status of my http, whether it's working or not? Status, and you can see that is active and running, right? So I'll get the public AP address. Do one thing. So get this public AP address quickly. Either one. So 1323. So 132.33.30. 30, yes. Done. So what are you getting? Nothing, right? Okay. So why? What is the reason? No. See, I only enable SSH protocol. So we have to enable which protocol? HTTP or else? So will it work HTTPS? Why? We don't have any SSL certificate as of now. So I'll enable HTTP protocol. For that, go to instance and go to your instance 1 or 2. Then select your security group. Select edit inbound rule. I will add one more protocol, that is HTTP. So select custom. I will give 000. Then save a rule. So check whether you getting or not. Test page. Eh? You getting test page, right? Okay. So I'll go to my virtual machine 2. So then I will create a cron tab over here. Okay, let's see how we can create a cron tab. So let me check the current path. Okay, current path home EC2 minus user EFS. So first you have to copy this path. Visible or not? Visible Allah? Okay, wait. So copy this. Key name and then minus I. Let me go to download. Then I will get the key name. What is the key name? Key 1. I'll go to my command prompt. Paste EC2 minus user @ and public IP address. Correctly. Enter. So connected my virtual machine 1. So same step I'll repeat virtual machine 2. So go to your. So this is my virtual machine 2. See, in virtual machine 1, actually I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to install any Apache on. Okay. So I will just use as a master node. So there I will create instruction. For example, I'll modify the files and I will create index files. But automatically my server 2 and server 3 will be reflect this changes whatever I made. So I'll go to my virtual machine 3. So get the public IP address same. So go to your Windows PowerShell SSH -i. Then key name we have to specify. Okay, then EC2 minus user @ user @ and public IP address. Enter. Yes. Sudo. So I will create a cron tab over here. So listen. So sudo. Let me put first cp -rf. So let me check a try first. 1 minute. Okay. I'll paste over here. /home /EC2 minus user /EFS. What is the file name? Index.html. So I'll give the path. What is my path? /var w html. Okay, let me try. Okay, enter. Okay, what is the server IP address? 93. First server, right? So I think this server. Try to access this servers. Okay, wait. See, so here I'm getting hello AWS, right? Okay. So now I will create a cron tab. Listen. Now I'll create a cron tab. I'll go to my virtual machine. To create a cron tab, what is the command? To create cron tab? No. Cron tab -E for edit. -L for list. See, suppose you already have some cron tab, you can execute cron tab space -L then enter. You can see that no cron tab for root as of now. If you want to create a new cron tab, just click on E, then you'll be get a cron tab. Then I'll specify the command over here. Suppose I want to execute every 1 minute. So what would be the expression? Star every 1 minute, every 1 hour, every day, every month, every week. Okay. So then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll put a space. Then I'll paste the command over here. Okay. What is the command we have to? Sorry, cp -rf. Then home EC2 minus user. Sorry, EFS index.html space /var w html. Okay. So then I will save this file. To save, right quit, then enter. Everything is okay. So I'll go to my virtual machine 1. So this is virtual machine 2, virtual machine 3. Okay. So I'll go to my virtual machine 1. So this is my virtual machine 1. So nano let me put a clear first. Clear. Okay. Nano. Then index.html. So I will change hello AWS version number 1. So check whether you're getting this page or not. So what are you getting first? Hello AWS, you getting, right? Okay. After 1 minute, you will be get hello AWS 1 version number 1. Automatically it will be get. So now you're getting hello. 1 you're getting. Hello AWS 1 you're getting, right? Again I will change to AWS 2. After 1 minute you'll be get AWS 2. Automatically it will change. It's a common repository. See, whatever the change I made over here, automatically it will reflect on all my servers. So check. Within 1 minute it will take 1 minute because we created a cron expression over there within 1 minute. IP address. What are you getting? Our IP use them. Test page on the wait. Run type in the run type change. Okay, so two system will be changed at a time. So that's all. Wait 1 minute. Let me copy this cron tab. Check. So now I created cron tab on both virtual machine. So automatically it will add it to my both virtual machine. So now you get what you getting over there? Hello AWS? 2 you getting, right? So this two IP address open different IP address on virtual machine. First 3 dot. First 3 dot. Nee 3 dot nee where and the IP address second one 13 dot. So just keep it in hand. I'll say same time I will copy this IP address and I'll paste over here. Listen, I'll copy this IP address, then I will paste over here. So this is 3 and this is 13. See, listen, please. So now you can see that I'm getting what is it? AWS 2. What about over here? AWS 2. Both are different IP address, but I'm getting same page, right? So I'll go to my first virtual machine. So there I didn't install Apache. Okay. So I'll go to my first virtual machine. Then I will open nano index.html. So then I will write AWS 3. Then I'll put some values over here. Control or enter, Control X. Fine. I'll go to my index page again. I'll refresh. What I'm getting? 2 only, right? So it will take 1 minute. Let's see. Okay. So now we're getting AWS 3. I'll go to my AWS, automatically it will change within 1 minute. So how to calculate 1 minute? See, if you go to virtual machine, listen. If you go to virtual machine, so just execute. Listen, please. Uptime. You have to execute uptime. Here you can see that 9 hours 51 seconds. Then 51 minute seconds. Okay. Suppose if you changing the file on 49 seconds. Then within 11 seconds, so that page will be copied from that EFS to our virtual machine. That's it. So now let's check. So now you can see the 44 seconds. See, 47 seconds. So if I'm uploading the file again, so within around 30 minutes, the file will be copied to, 13 seconds, the file will be copied to server. Yeah? File copy okay. So now you can see that 5 seconds I will create one more file, nano index.html uptime. So 18 seconds nano index.html. So I'll remove this, then new file, check what you're getting. So what is the uptime now? So what is the uptime? What is the uptime? 32. What is the uptime now? What is the uptime now? 39. What is the uptime now? What about now? 47, 51. I'll go to my server again. So I'll refresh. See, I'm not getting anything, right? So after 59 seconds, automatically this page will be changed. See, new file.
Yeah.
After 59 seconds, automatically it will change. Okay. So irrespective of whenever you're changing, so it will take the 59 seconds. For example, if you are creating the file on 49 seconds, so it will only take 11 seconds. Okay. Any doubts? Then write it down.